was your age, men lived by a code. Sure, we had fun. Fucked around a little bit. But at the end of the day, we lived by a code. You respected your elders. You protected your family. You don't fuck my daughter. Think you can get away with anything? You won't. No. Not this. Not my little girl. Sit. I've been contemplating what to do with you. Do you know what we did to those who broke the code? We made sure they never broke that code again. What are you doing here?
Credit card's not working.
What do you mean the credit card's not working?
I don't know. Just doesn't work anymore. It was fine yesterday.
How much did you spend?
Yesterday? Not that much.
Jesus Christ. What do you need?
Well, I was at Stacey's yesterday.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, darling. Play safe now.
Anybody else wouldn't leave this room alive. But I like you. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you a chance. But if you touch her again, if you even get hot looking at her, I will fuck you in your little ass with your disrespectful dick. Understood? Good. Now then. I can't let you leave like this. So, a little something, so you don't forget.
I know.
You and Lisa, huh?
Someone saw us. How? We were careful.
Not careful enough. Don't worry about it. I'll sort it out. You just keep up appearances. Don't do anything stupid.
What?
Nobody's here. Really? We get caught once and never do it again.
I'm just trying to look out.
Yourself. You know, I always thought we could just run away and let destiny decide.
Run away.
I did it tonight.
No. I let you.
Maybe. But you can.
Maybe my wife is right. I'm a good fighter and a fucking great dancer. A good shot, like you. We're the same. In time, you may even become me. Isn't that what you want? But she might be right. A good father would know what his daughter wants. Come tomorrow. We'll talk.
Okay.
told you I'd sort it out.
I never doubted that.
You gotta give the guy some credit. He started to work things out.
How can you be sure that we're not madly in love like they think we are?
Because I know you. You're a cunt.
How so?
You don't care about love. You don't care about anything. You're like me. You just take. But luckily for you, I'm feeling generous.
I told you not to come here.
Why have you got somebody else inside?
Very funny.
I was just kidding. Martin, we have to leave. I've got the car around the
I
corner.
thought we took care of everything. Everything's fine.
No, it's not. Do you really have no idea why I want to just disappear? No. Please, Martin, you've got to trust me.
You should go.
But Martin, this is our chance.
It's your chance. You should take it. Just go.
What happened to the man that swept me off my feet? The man that loved me?
I'm sorry.
Martin.
Here, in my kingdom, you can be anything you want. You're a predator. A good one, too. And you know that. Makes you dangerous. That's good for me. But not when it comes to my family. What are you here?
A sheep, sir.
I'm here to make peace. I know Lisa likes you. She may even love you. I can believe that, even though I may not want to. And I don't. However, you have a chance. I've been watching. And I believe you know your place.
Linda, I can explain.
Help me.
How could you? After everything, why?
Give me the knife.
A baby. You came for a baby. You never told me you wanted a baby.
Linda, please. Don't do anything stupid.
Okay, Martin.